In today's lesson, we will be covering how to convert decimal to hexadecimal. But before we proceed, we should understand a bit more about long division and the labels that are being used. So let's take this as an example. We are dividing 300 by 7. So 300 is called the dividend and 7 is the divisor. So if we go through the long division, we will end up with 42 as the quotient and 6 will be the remainder. So in conversion for decimal to hexadecimal, we are worried about the remainder, because the remainder is the one that will tell us what the hexadecimal equivalent is. So let's take 2563 and let's convert that. So we have 2563. This is the dividend. We are gonna divide it by 16 always. So use your calculator for this part. 2563 divided by 16, and we will end up with 160.1875. This is not very useful because we do not know what remainder this is, but it does help us to find the quotient. So 16 times 160, we will get 16 times 160, we will get 2560. We will end up with a remainder of 3. I'm gonna put the remainder in red color. The quotient, I will put it in green color. So after the first time we divide it, we have a quotient of 160, remainder of 3. So the next step to do is we are going to repeat this, but this time we will use the quotient as the new dividend. So I'm going to take 160 now and divide it by 16 again. So this is simple. 16 times 10, we will get 160. And we will get a remainder of 0. So now you may ask yourself, do we still keep dividing or do we stop here? The answer is we will keep dividing until the divisor is bigger than the dividend. That will be the last time we do the division. So in this case, we have this quotient. It will become the new dividend. And we're going to divide it by 16 again. So notice that the dividend is smaller than the divisor. So this means this is the last time we will be doing this division. So 16 times 0, we will get 0, and then we will get a remainder of 10. So now how do we use this to change it to hexadecimal? Now we need to take the first remainder, put it on the rightmost. Take the second one, put it here. Take the 10. So it's in reverse order. Okay, 3 goes here. It's reverse order. But now we cannot use this 10 as a hexadecimal, because 10 in hexadecimal is A. So the answer is A 0 3 base 16. So 2563 base 10 is equal to A 0 3 base 16. Don't forget to put down the subscript of 10 for decimal, subscript of 16 as hexadecimal. That's all.